Hello friends, this question is from the subject of network and topic name is two-port network. The problem is we have a circuit given and we need to find out the value of Z1 and Z2. And essential to that, question has already given the expression for Z1, which is somewhat k times s plus 2 upon s plus 5. Now question is telling me that if the expression of Z1 is this type, what would the type of the expression of Z2? So basically, we have to compare the expression of Z2 with Z1 and find out which option is the suitable match. So the approach of this problem will be straightforward. We need to calculate the expression for Z1 first across terminal 1 and 1 dash, and then we will calculate the expression for Z2 across terminal 2 and 2 dash. So first let us calculate the expression for Z1. If we calculate the expression for Z1, which is the impedance across terminal 1 and 1 dash, so we can see that the resistors R2 and L, inductor L is in series, and this whole combination is in parallel with resistor R1. So my effective resistance will be R1 parallel with R2 plus SL, because my impedance expression is given in the S domain. So this expression will be R1 times R2 plus SL upon R1 plus R2 plus SL. So if you compare this thing with our expression Z1 is given, if you compare this with the Z1 which is given in the question, which is k times s plus 2 upon s plus 5. So in the denominator we have s plus r1 plus r2. It means that SL plus r1 plus r2 is equivalent to the s plus 5, and SL plus r2 is equivalent to the s plus 2, and my r1 is equivalent to the k1, J constant. Okay, now if I find out the impedance with respect to terminal 2 and 2 dash, which is Z2, for my Z2 my SL will be in parallel with the R1 and R2. So my Z2 will be SL with parallel with R1 plus R2. So expression for Z2 will be SL times R1 plus R2 upon SL plus R1 plus R2. So if I can see my results which I got from the first comparison, SL plus R1 plus R2 is S plus 5. So in the case of Z2 also, in denominator we will have a S plus 5, because denominator is same, it is R1 plus R2 plus SL, we know the value of it, and my R1 plus R2 is a constant. If you compare this here, you can find out that actually the value of L is 1. SL plus R2 is S plus 2, R2 is 2 and L is 1. This means that R2 is 2 and L is 1. So it will be S times R1 plus R2, which is another constant. So I can write this as a K2 times S upon S plus 5. So my correct option is option C. In this case, C is my correct option. Thank you.